Is your Yale alarm going off at night? This is often due to pets, sensitivity settings, or low batteries. The good news is these are usually easy to fix yourself. First, make sure your Yale Home app is up to date. A recent update, version 4.2.1, includes AI-driven motion detection that significantly reduces false alarms. You can quickly access troubleshooting steps via the night mode dashboard in the Yale Home app. We'll cover how to adjust the key settings that typically cause these false alarms, making your nights more peaceful. Here are the main ways to address false alarms from Yale Smart Alarms. Activate Pet Mode in the Yale Home app under Settings, Alarm, Pet Mode. It ignores movements below a certain size for cats and small dogs by analyzing motion patterns with PIR sensors. Lower sensitivity in the app to reduce triggers from minor shifts like shadows. Calibrate for room temperature and placement, positioning sensors 6 to 8 feet high. Check for low battery alerts in the app, which can cause false alarms. Replace with Yale recommended AA or CR123A batteries. Clean sensors monthly and ensure Wi-Fi stability.